A morning walk in nature, a soul journey made with love by Sabine. It's a wonderful morning. The sun is shining and invites you to take a walk. You enjoy the early morning hour because all others seem to be still asleep and there is stillness in the air. The only sounds you can hear are the sounds of nature. You leave your street behind and take the path that leads you through the adjacent fields of the local farmers. There are trees alongside the way. You can hear the wind playing with the leaves. The closer you come to the trees, the more you can feel the soft wind. It caresses you gently. You enjoy the breeze on your skin. It makes you feel alive, and you are completely in the present moment. You soak in the beauty of nature. You look up to the trees and you see some birds. You stop to watch them. You enjoy listening to their chirping. The beautiful sound makes you smile. As you watch the birds flying through the blue sky, you become aware that they want to remind you to step into the flow of your own life. Let go the need to control everything in your life with your mind. Take a leap of faith, follow your heart, and trust that you are divinely guided. Follow the signs and know the universe has your back. Look around the beauty and abundance of nature. You are part of Mother Nature. Everything you see in the outside world mirrors back what is within you. The beauty and abundance is within you. You continue your walk. There are again some wonderful trees alongside the way. One special tree seems to call you. You go there and stop right in front of it. Maybe you'd like to put your hands on the tree trunk or lean against it with your back. You close your eyes. Take a few conscious breaths. Your mind becomes still. Maybe you hear a soft voice from the tree. It whispers, "Ground yourself. Let your roots go down deeply into the earth." Maybe you'd like to connect with my roots, so we can strengthen each other. We are all one. We support each other. If there's something that burdens you or you want to get rid of, imagine this energy flows through you, through your roots into Mother Earth, who is happy to transform this energy into light again. Thank her. And then imagine a white or golden light that is flowing from the great central sun into your head, through your body and into Mother Earth. By doing so, you not only nourish yourself, but all of life. You thank the tree for its wonderful message. You feel nourished and loved and continue your walk. Your gaze slides over the fields. and suddenly you see a rabbit in the distance. It enjoys hopping around, and suddenly a second rabbit follows. They play with each other and seem to enjoy life. A thought pops up in your mind. Maybe I should have some more fun and laughter in my life. Take it not too seriously and allow myself to play and daydream more often. You come closer to your home. You feel so much gratitude for the inspiring walk and all the wonderful messages you've got. You smile and begin to laugh as you see another animal. It's a cat from one of your neighbors. He's lying on the ground and stretching its paws. As you greet him, he looks into your eyes, as if he wants to remind you to take some time to relax and simply enjoy the moment, doing nothing. You say goodbye to the cat, and with a heart filled with love, you return home. I wish you a wonderful time. Aloha, Sabine.